There we go. That's pretty cool. So actually they try to touch it, so try to touch it as well. So you try to touch the dragon. So everybody's bringing the dragon over. Touch it, Tyler. Touch it. Touch it. Happy New Year. There you go. Alright. So they're bringing it across so that everybody can touch it. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Hello, Happy New Year! That's kind of cool. I like all these lion dances too. They're really cool. Yeah, looks like they might do some lion dancing. Might do some lion dancing later too. Yeah, this is pretty cool. There we got this beautiful dragon right there too. I love all the dragons there. You can touch it again. There's kind of got separated early already. This might be the end. Well, that's pretty cool though. Say hi. Say hello. Hi. That's pretty cool. And it looks like it's from the Galaxy group. So it looks like they got it from different groups. So that's the Galaxy one, and there's some more. Oh, that's kind of cool. Association of Dance and Singing in Macau. Wow, that's kind of cool. Alright. That's really cool. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! It's really cool. And here comes another float. Instituto Cultural. It's Public Security Police Force Dance Team. So another dance team, alright. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! So that's kind of cool. So there's another kind of like dance troupe. So it's that was the dance for the police. And we'll wait for some more. Alright, there we go. That's kind of cool. There they go, and there's more. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Oh, that's kind of cool. And then they got their MGM, so this is actually part of the MGM one right there. We got some photographers running to catch up with them. Let's catch that. There we go, the photographers, and I'll try to catch up with them. Oh, they got a mascot up there, cool, too. Cool. They're way over on the other side of the street. They should come a little closer to this side. But pretty cool, they look really... The rabbit at the end. You're the rabbit. How you doing? Hey, how's it going? And we got his right here too.
Hey,
Oh,
what's
look at
up?
Lisa. All right.
What's going on, Kevin?
Good.
You got sidetracked?
All
I made my
right.
own popcorn.
Oh, I thought that was the other one.
No. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
You got sidetracked?
Yeah.
Ended up at the parade. Hello, everyone.
Never know who you're gonna meet at the parades.
That's right. Having a good time.
Cali's small enough.
Yes, sir.
Alright, and we got this one as well. Little Sao Paulo ruins thing at the top. Which is kind of cool because with the camera, a lot of people will shout. This is the Macau Trade and Investment Promotion Institute. Shaped as a rabbit. Oh, we got a bunny that's with a. Oh, we got this one too.
Oh, look at that.
Rad. Pretty cool. Happy New Year. Very cool. There we go. Alright. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! There we go. So I think that's another dance troupe. So we have like a series of mostly dance ones that I've seen so far. We'll see what else we see. Let's see this one. Happy New Year. All right. And another one right behind it. Pretty cool. Okay. Funny fellow.
Sunny fellow.
Oh, let's see.
OK， 1、2，接好哦。嘿，
All right.
Happy New Year!
Let's see what this one is. Oh, this is from Zhuhai. That's the Zhuhai people from. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's a theme park.
Yeah, that was really cool. I didn't expect that. I was wondering who all those foreigners were. It's like, but that, yeah.
They work there or something, huh?
Yeah.
I've never been there. Have you been there?
All right.
Hola!
At least. It's adorable.
All right.
Hola!
He said hold on. He said hello. He's not supposed to do that. He's supposed to say hi.
five?
Hola! Mostly they only high five with the child.
CD 又来了。
Sunny fellow. And there's the SJM. There's their parade. There's their float. Nice wheels. you hear that, kid?
You hear what he said?
No.
He said Lycée d'Aloy. Which means
Alright, happy Chinese New Year. Nice music.
Sonny Philo! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Hey, Happy New Year! Poor guys.
Alright. Happy New Year. Is for the sands. We got a little bit of a Alice in Wonderland. That's cool. Oh, Vietnamese Association of Macau. Okay, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. So we've got the Vietnamese kitty, we've got the Ao Dong, the traditional dress. That's cool. Hello! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! This one is Soulbrigada camping town. And it's from Hengqin.
Yes, Hengqin.
Which is right across.
Is this the water park?
From us.
No.
Almost missed you doing Happy New Year. Might actually get somebody to come up and Happy New Year! Happy New Year! You gotta dance. The Macau truck, okay, the float. Akira, City of Dreams, City of City. Alright. Oh, these ones got all Easter eggs. Happy New Year! This is a quiet group. It's a very quiet dance group.
A little shy. I was feeling like I had to hype him up.
Yeah?
I got it right.
Oh, they're coming back. Do a dance, I think, right? This is the oil. And over there we got all the fireworks. Tons of them. Fresh Fish of Macau Association. Alright. Some dragons. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Oh, it sounds like this. I don't know what that would mean.
I don't know if they're together.
Oh yeah, because it looks like mostly Filipino, some Filipino organization, I think. So it must have. I don't know. Who knows? Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.